This is a 2006 Adam July. Trailer is in excellent condition. It's not seen a lot of use. Steel frame, aluminum skin, 2-horse straight load bumper pull with a 4-foot dressing room, 6 foot wide, 7'6" tall. 4-foot dressing room has a crank out window and a sliding window, 2 saddle racks and spare tire, bridle hooks, camper door with screen. It's got 2 full-size escape doors, full-length running boards. It's got a rear ramp with top curtains. Of course, you can see a little superficial rust there. Absolutely no loss of integrity in that metal, just a little bit of superficial rust. Good solid ramp. Wooden floors in excellent condition. Padded breast and butt bars, padded divider. Little tear there. And there. Otherwise, the pads are in great shape. 2 pop-up roof vents, removable divider, removable head divider. Load light. Ramp super light. The graphics show some wear, some cracking from the age. Structurally, the trailer's in excellent condition. Again, full-length running boards, no dents or dings to speak of. Fenders are in great shape. There are those pop-up roof vents. The tires were new when the trailer came to us. They are a 2017. They still have nubs here on the tires. They really weren't used at all. There's no signs of dry rot on any of the tires. They're in excellent shape. We did put 1 new brake on and packed the bearings. It also got a new breakaway battery kit. Trailer's seen very little use. Very, very, very good used condition. I would call it excellent condition for a 2006 model trailer. TrailerCountryLLC.com.